Today I'm excited to share my journey, how I turned my skin from this to this completely free. I want to emphasize that the tips I'm sharing today are backed by evidence because I've seen a real improvement over many years without spending a lot on skincare or treatment. So this is not a video about promoting any pricey solutions. Before we dive into the topic, let's take a moment and explore 3 things to consider when looking to make your skin look healthy. To achieve a clean skin look, we often focus on makeup, skincare, and then our lifestyle. At the top, we have makeup. We often use as a quick fix solution. Many of us resort using tons of foundation or concealer to conceal our acne or any skin issues. Up next, we have skincare. It is easy to get lost in a sea of products, some of which may or may not deliver the result we want. Plus, it can be quite expensive. Following skincare, we have lifestyle factors, which we'll be talking about today. This includes living a healthy lifestyle and doesn't cost anything. Now I'm going to share my 5 lifestyle changes that have transformed how my skin looks. The first change I made was working out. I maintain a consistent workout routine, experimenting with various styles, Pilates, running, weight training, etc. We all know that working out is good for our health, but we need to dive into a bit more detail. Why is it good for our skin? First, it improves blood circulation. Exercising makes blood flow better in your skin, which means that it lets more nutrients travel through its different layers to keep your skin cells younger. Whenever I finish working out, especially after I run, I sweat a lot and I look much more refreshed. Second change I made was moisturizing my body every single day. I'm talking about body skin, not facial skin. We all know that using a moisturizer for your facial skin is important, but we often neglect the fact that our body skin and facial skin are connected. I moisturize my body every single day. However, as I am a human, I have those days I just keep applying moisturizer on my body because I get lazy. The next morning, I can tell that not only my body skin but also facial skin has gone very dry. Moisturizing your body can have some indirect benefits to your facial skin. So if you're suffering from extreme dryness on your facial skin, you're probably not applying any moisturizer to your body at all. Please try it at least once and see whether you are seeing any improvements or not. I guarantee. Second change I made is a regular sleep schedule. I'm a firm believer that without a good sleep, all the expensive skincare steps are useless. So here's my evidence. When I was obsessed with self-improvement and all the morning habit rituals, I used to wake up at 5:30 a.m. and sleep at 10:30 p.m. But at the same time, I also have some bad skin problems because I sometimes sleep late but still force myself to wake up early. Looking back at my old makeup videos when I used to wake up early, I could see myself a lot of pimples, hyperpigmentation, and just overall not healthy looking skin. But now I know that I need to maintain 8 hours of sleep for my skin to be in the best condition. You should understand that the sleep is the time when your body repairs itself. Rather than spending time on searching skincare routine or skincare recommendations to improve your skin health, it is more important to make sure that you are having a good quality sleep. My simple tip on having a good quality sleep is making time to unwind. I give myself at least 30 minutes to unwind before going to the sleep, and then I try not to use my phone. Even after 10 minutes, I get sleepy, so try this out. The fourth change I made is eating healthy. Instead of cutting junk food all at once, it is more effective to create sustainable habits. For example, I avoid junk food on weekdays but allow myself to enjoy it on weekdays. This approach helps me build patience and resist craving for junk food. And last tip I made is meal prepping. Ever since I started to planning and prepping my meal in advance, I found that I usually eat healthier and reduce relying on fast food. You might have seen many TikTok videos about eating the same meal for a week. I'm not a person who can eat the same meal for a whole week, so I need to diversify diversify my meal plan. To do that, I go grocery shopping once a week, especially on Sundays. I plan my bills before the week begins to make sure that when I have those craving for fried chicken hamburgers, I can stay strong and stick to all the leftover gets thrown away. Through meal prepping, I found a sense of confidence of myself because I'm able to have control over my life. It's about how I keep my skin healthy and clean with lifestyle changes. But please remember that there's no single factor that determines your skin health condition. But for me, this works the best, so I hope you find these tips helpful. Please comment below your commitments and what you want to apply to your everyday life. Are you planning to work out regularly or meal prep? Share this video with any of your friends who wants to join you in getting healthier looking skin. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!